everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be making sapphire earrings. Everything you'll need will pop up on the screen, but I'll also go ahead and link it in the description below. Let's get right on into the tutorial. Grab your head pin and slide a dark sapphire bicone onto it to form a loop to make a bead drop. Now you'll need to repeat this step 3 more times to have a total of 4 dark sapphire bead drops. Once you've got your 4 bead drops made, go ahead and set them aside. Grab another head pin and this time slide a light sapphire bicone onto it to form a loop to make a bead drop. Once again, repeat this step 3 more times to have a total of 4 light sapphire bead drops. When you've completed that, set them aside near the other bead drops. Now grab an eye pin and slide a carved swirl onto it to form a loop to make a bead link. Get a 4mm jump ring and use it to connect a sapphire jewel tone drop to a loop on one side of the bead link. Get another eye pin and attach it to the loop on the other side of the bead link. Now slide a carved swirl onto the eye pin. Finally, alternate sliding on the light and dark sapphire bead drops. Once you've done that, form a loop and attach it to the bottom loop of a ball hook ear wire. To make the matching earring, just repeat the tutorial. Thanks for watching!